Lubricants are substances used to reduce friction between surfaces in contact, thereby minimizing heat and wear generation. They come in various forms such as oils, greases, and solid lubricants. Lubricant plays a crucial role in machinery and equipment maintenance, enhancing performance and longevity. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, thank you very much. Please support this vision by hitting the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload another interesting video like this one you are about to watch. So let's dive into what we have today. There are several types of lubricants used in cars, each serving specific function. One is engine oil. Engine oil lubricates moving parts within the engine, reducing friction and heat buildup. It also helps to seal gaps between components, preventing leak and maintaining engine efficiency. Another one is transmission fluid. Transmission fluid lubricates the gear and other moving parts within the transmission system, ensuring smooth gear shift and preventing wear and tear. Number 3 is differential fluid. Differential fluid lubricates the differential gears, allowing the wheel to rotate at different speed when providing power to the wheel. 4 is grease. Grease is another thickener lubricant used in components such as wheel bearing, universal joint, and suspension system. It provides long-lasting lubrication and help to seal out contaminants. 5. Power steering fluid. Power steering fluid lubricates and cools the components of the power steering system, allowing for smooth and effortless steering. Number 6 is brake fluid. Brake fluid transmits the pressure from the brake pedal to the brake calipers or wheel cylinders, allowing for smooth and reliable braking performance. Using the correct type of lubricant for each component is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of a car. It is important to consult the vehicle's manual or a trusted mechanic to ensure the proper lubricants are used during maintenance. Importance of lubricants. 1. Friction reduction. Lubricants reduce friction between moving parts, preventing wear and tear. This applies to crucial components like the engine, transmission, and differentials. 2. Heat dissipation. They help dissipate heat generated by friction, preventing overheating and damage to engine parts. 3. Sealing. Lubricants help create seals between components, preventing leak and maintaining proper pressure within systems like the engine and transmission. 4. Corrosion prevention. They provide a protective layer, shielding metal surfaces from moisture and corrosion, especially in areas prone to rust. 5. Efficiency. Proper lubrication ensures that systems operate efficiently, improving fuel economy and overall performance. 6. Noise reduction. Lubricants reduce noise generated by friction between moving parts, leading to a quieter and smoother driving experience. Regular maintenance and using the right lubricant are essential for keeping a car running smoothly and preventing costly repair down the road. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.